Neem oil transforms health naturally. 3 months ago, my grandmother showed me something extraordinary. She handed me a small bottle of golden liquid, saying this ancient remedy saved her skin countless times. That bottle contained neem oil, and what happened next changed everything I thought I knew about natural healing. Neem oil comes from the seeds of Azadirachta indica, a tree native to India. For over 4,000 years, people have used this powerful extract to address various health concerns. The oil contains azadirachtin, nimbin, and other compounds that create its unique properties. When bacteria attack our skin, neem oil fights back effectively. Studies published in the International Journal of Dermatology show neem oil demonstrates strong antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. The oil disrupts bacterial cell walls, preventing them from multiplying and spreading. Fungal infections often resist conventional treatments, but neem oil offers hope. Research from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirms neem oil inhibits Candida albicans and other common fungi. The oil penetrates fungal cell membranes, disrupting their growth cycle naturally. My personal experience began with persistent skin irritation. Traditional remedies failed repeatedly, leaving me frustrated and uncomfortable. Then I applied diluted neem oil twice daily for 2 weeks. The results surprised everyone, including my skeptical family members. Here are 5 practical ways to use neem oil safely. First, skin application requires proper dilution. Mix 1 teaspoon of neem oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to affected areas twice daily. Never use undiluted neem oil directly on skin, as it may cause irritation. Second, nail fungus responds well to neem oil treatment. Combine equal parts neem oil and tea tree oil. Apply to affected nails using a cotton swab. Continue this process for 4 to 6 weeks consistently for best results. Third, scalp health improves with regular neem oil massage. Warm 2 tablespoons of neem oil gently. Massage into scalp for 5 minutes, then leave for 30 minutes. Wash with mild shampoo afterward. Fourth, minor cuts and wounds heal faster with neem oil. Clean the wound thoroughly first. Apply diluted neem oil using a clean cotton pad. Cover with sterile bandage and change daily. Fifth, insect bite relief comes quickly with neem oil. Mix neem oil with aloe vera gel in equal proportions. Apply to bites immediately for soothing relief. The science behind neem oil effectiveness lies in its complex chemical structure. Azadirachtin acts as the primary active compound, while nimbin provides anti-inflammatory properties. These components work together, creating synergistic effects that enhance overall healing. However, important precautions exist when using neem oil. Pregnant women should avoid neem oil completely, as it may cause complications. People with tree nut allergies should test neem oil on small skin patches first. Always dilute neem oil before application to prevent skin sensitization. Dosage matters significantly with neem oil use. Start with minimal amounts and observe your body's response carefully. Most people tolerate diluted neem oil well, but individual reactions vary considerably. Quality selection determines neem oil effectiveness dramatically. Choose cold-pressed, organic neem oil from reputable sources. Avoid refined versions, as processing removes beneficial compounds. Store neem oil in cool, dark places to maintain potency. Tracking your progress helps optimize neem oil benefits. Photograph affected areas before starting treatment. Monitor changes weekly and adjust application frequency accordingly. Improvement typically occurs within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Some people experience mild side effects initially. Temporary skin redness or slight burning sensation may occur. These symptoms usually disappear within few days as skin adjusts. Discontinue use if severe reactions develop and consult healthcare providers immediately. Combining neem oil with healthy lifestyle choices amplifies results. Maintain proper hygiene, eat balanced nutrition, and get adequate sleep. These factors support your body's natural healing processes effectively. Always consult healthcare professionals before using neem oil for serious conditions. While neem oil offers many benefits, it should complement, not replace, proper medical care when needed. Neem oil represents nature's powerful gift for health and wellness. Start small, stay consistent, and watch amazing transformations unfold. Your journey to better health begins with this single golden drop.